Yeah, we're there upon the church. I know I think already, man. They're on Church Avenue right now. And yeah, MVision is outside. MVision TV. You might as well just call it Brooklyn Local TV. Yeah. Yes. So I go on the avenue. You know, so you can go get on the phone over there and them something there. That is it, man. I want to swim as them over this and thing. Yes. And them accept EBT, but one no it's just Trump and cut out that. Yo, Jano. What people, them kids, them are gonna do when them cut out all them help, bro? Judgment. Get a gyro. Long time I don't see a Honda card like that. They're classic now, you know, bro. Remember them thing they did the thing back in the day? Yeah, when them Honda card they did that. Yo, the hottest thing. When them Honda they did it in, bro. See me? A big man thing when them a pass through, man, them clean. Oh, fuck. I ask you, man. Tell you. Scooters. From what day, I don't really see too much delivery, man. Today are the most I see on the road. I don't know. Unless the company them not work, I don't know, but for some reason I don't really see too much delivery person on the street since this whole ice thing. You understand? Always make the ladies cross. You're welcome, mama. Yeah. Can't too rush the ladies them, you know. Have patience with the females. Soon work time, I know me soon. I soon be on the clock, my friend. Sure. What tire pull off over there? What's up with all them umbrellas? You think them easy? Yeah. Be umbrella G. Roll up them window here, yo. I don't know why I drive with my windows them don't like me drive to get sicker on here. I ain't no say. And that go on when you drive with the windows down enough. What? I saw the man them a move. What? Get away driver in the bus lane. Yo. Yeah, dog them a work for a ticket. graffiti all the way up. There's a dice and be a thing and thing and thing and thing and thing and thing. Need some chicken tenders right now. That's what I'm gonna pick up right now. Get me some chicken tenders and a large Sprite. Yeah, that is it. I know my sexy friend that will live over here, so I ain't see her in a little while now. One of my real sexy friend. Yeah. One of my real sexy friend, them, I know the thing going on. If you have some real sexy friend. That is it, man. I was just thinking, right, should I take MVision TV with me to work? Absolutely. MVision goes where I go. Look at the dog. Yeah. Dog, I take a walk. Got the walk, go on. What's going on? Are these people sleeping or something? Nobody don't want to move? This is the reason why I don't drive these hours, cause you got some lame people on the road for real. Where them like, I don't know if them are forward from work and them just too tired, I don't know, but they need to stop that, bro. Nice wheels. Scooter, man. Dialing up the work right now. Yeah, they got the bike over there, so yeah, be an action. Bikes everywhere you got. You look over there, you got a whole rack of city bikes over there. But a whole lot of them missing. They're active right now. Safe to say everyone active. That means MVision TV have to stay active at all time, bro. Yeah, wherever I go, MTV. I just said MTV, MVision TV. Yeah. It's just like MTV. So it makes sense. But anyway, guys, smash the like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn on the notification bell too, as well. Now I see why you're a problem. You talk too much. This guy in them car talk, and him now watch for the light. Struck out. I didn't know that was there. Yo, people sometimes just go bananas with this whole crossing the streets still, alright? Cause here me go defend the pedestrian them, but some of the pedestrian them go out of them way to put themselves in a danger. If you see what this lady just do a while ago, like, you don't need to leap and run and do all of this stuff across the street when you already see the car already ahead of you. See one other lady do some, and I wonder what's up. If she's a MPC as well, them whatever and say, cause she see the car reverse and she have the perfect option. Walk around the front of the car cause you see the car reversing. Guess where she decide to walk? Right behind the car. Can't make this up. So leave me if you ask the question like, is people going around trying to make something happen to them? I don't know. And I don't think this is the time for no one and their fake claims and none of that, because you already see your time is going. You ain't entertaining that. You know what I mean? Yeah, not gonna entertain that, bro. No fake claims. People like to just go out their way trying to get hurt for what? I don't know. Let the car do what the car does. You a human being, calm down. Take it easy. Simple. Can't get a park. Can't get a park. Yo. Can't get a parking. Find a park, man. Even though it's a close parking, got a parking. That's the whole thing. Did you get a park? Yeah, I get a park. And I got some gumbo too. Yeah. That's it. So as I said, join the family. And if you already did, bless up yourself. Yeah. See y'all when I get to work. Peace.